How to add your interests in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different interests. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, on the top, you'll be able to see this complete profile button. Tap on complete profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called interest. Simply tap on add interest badge. So here there are different interests that you can add. Here you can even customize and add your own. So simply select the one that you want to add it in your profile. So here I'm selecting some of them. At last, here on the bottom you'll be able to see this continue button. Tap on continue and tap on save. So this will pop up in your profile later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.